in the place in your. Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook. And today I'm going to show you how to make a party appetizer, party pleaser. Let's do guac. And we're gonna fry our own homemade tortillas. Well, not homemade. We're just gonna fry our own corn tortillas and turn them into chips. So guac and chips is on today's menu. We'll be right back. This is everything you're going to need for your homemade guacamole and chips and dip. Yeah. All right. We have our corn flour tortilla. I have yellow. You can get white if you want. We have avocados. Make sure these boys are right. As you can see, I can squeeze into them. Let's see if you can see that. There you go. See that? Squeeze into them. They are ripe. And we have some pico de gallo that I made up. And also, if you guys would be so kind, I am going to leave a link in the description of my making homemade pico video. So please go back and watch that. And we have our oil to the right of me, heating right now. So let's get to the first step. All right, let's start with our avocados. You're gonna take it, let's get this bowl out of the way. And let's just split down the middle. As such. Take it, turn it, and there you go. You wanna get your knife, get your pit out of there, as such. Just go like that, or you can save that to start growing you an avocado tree. Save you a few of them. And you can start your own avocado tree. We're just getting our avocados broken down and de-seeded. Alright, let's do one more again. This is all we're doing. Take it, twist it. There we go. Get that pit out of there. Just as such. Alright, you have your avocado split and seeded. So what I do, I just peel away. When they're ripe, it's pretty easy to just peel away at the skin, just like this. So no need for cutting after you split them. Just peel it out like that. Do another one. And that's all we're doing. Just peeling the skin off. And you can see how easy it comes off. As such. And don't worry if you break them, because we're going to mash them up anyway. There we go. Get that out of there. All right, you have all your avocados peeled, de-seeded, and split. So we're gonna go in there with our hands and let's start mashing them up. Just breaking them with our hands. And then we can hit them with a potato masher. But I like to do this first, just to get everything kind of broken up. In case you got any pieces of avocado like this, it's still hard. I wanna get that out of there. That's why I like to mash them up so I can tell by hand what pieces are hard. So let's just get everything mashed up. There we go. Alright. Now we're just going to take our potato masher after we get our gloves off, of course. Those. And let's just side. Let's add our pico de gallo. There we go. And I have about a cup and a half of pico de gallo. And then we're just gonna mix it. We're gonna mix it and we're gonna taste for likeness. But as you can see, this is all to it. Simple. Guacamole. Let's just get it all mixed together. All right, your guacamole is mixed up, as you can see. So let's give it a taste test. In case you need to add any salt, pepper, garlic powder, whatever you need. That's good, but I need a little salt. There we go. We're going to add about a tablespoon of salt, and that should do the trick. All right, so I don't double dip with my spoon. We're just going to taste it. There it is. And that's your homemade guacamole sauce, family. Right there. Quick and simple, very easy. And don't forget, I am going to leave a link in the description for the homemade pico de gallo. Now let's get to these chips. All right, let's get your chips cut, and you can cut as many as you want to. I'm only doing a few. You can cut the whole bag, but we're just crisscrossing. That's it. And those are our chips. Simple. There it is. Just that simple. All right, we're letting our oil heat up, and we're about to drop these boys in the oil. All right, we have your oil hot. We have our sea salt right by the side. As soon as they come out of the oil, you want to season them. While they're wet, you want to let that salt stick. So let's just get them in here. Try not to overcrowd. And then we're just going to give them a stir. Make sure they all frying properly. There we go. All right, I believe your chips is done. You hear how crunchy they are? There we go. All right, let's get them out of the fryer. Out of the hot oil, out the fryer. All right. There we go. And like I say, we want to make sure we hurry up and hit them with our salt. All right, let's go for our other batch. Get these in there as well. Make sure they're separated when you drop them in, because they tend to lay on top of each other. So let's just make sure we stirring them and keeping them separated and not laying on each other. We're gonna let these cook and we're gonna pull these out as well. All right, and like I say, you want to make sure you continue to keep them moving so they don't stick. And these are ready. Making sure all of them are crispy like I need them. Right, there we go. Let's get these out of the oil. And we're going to throw some more salt on these boys as well. And then we're going to kind of toss our chips with the salt that we put on the ones before and the salt that we put on these. So I can get them out of here. There we go. All right. Let's get us some salt on there. And we're just going to go. Guacamole and chips. Yeah. In your face. In your face. Let's see. Let's get us a good amount of guac on there. Can't beat that with a bag. Get some more of that. Savor the moment. That boy can cook out the place, out your face, till the next time, I'm gone.